Ni Arutwo a thukuru wa Oldonyonyokie kaunti-ini ya Kajiado magicokereria mathomo thutha wa thukuru kuhingwo kwa ihinda kumana na guo guthario mabati ni ruhuho runene.
Mimi nilijipata nje peke yangu, kaanza kurudisha na pepo ingine huko, nikajipata tu nimegonga na hiyo mabati huko juu. Elizabeth Karino ni murutwo umwe wa aria magurarite na mario thibitari, agitariria nguraro iria itigarire mwiri-ini wake, aikaire thibitari-ini nginya ihinda riri. Niliumia huku mdomo, nikata na mabati huku, meno ilitoka moja, zingine zimetingika, but miguu niliumia zaidi juu nilivunjika huku karibu na kiuno. But so far nimewekwa chuma, I can be able now to walk.
Mwarimu munene wa thukuru yo Grace Kemanini aratariria maumirira ma mutino uyu.
31 girls were injured, treated, they were taken to hospital. 24 of them were treated and allowed to come back to school, but 7 were hospitalized. Then 2 more were referred to Kenyatta National Hospital and another one to Rongai Orthopedic Hospital with a broken femur bone, and the one that is in Kenyatta has a spinal injury.
Kimani agataririo ria Arutwo aingi matigitwo na thina wa kuhahuka ngoro ihinda-ini riri.
It was important that they took the break because they were so traumatized they couldn't even sleep. They could not even bear just the sound of wind was enough to scare them, and that is why we found it important for them to take a break and maybe clear away from the scene of what had happened.
But we did not expect that it will break the classes. Unfortunately, the wind came and it lifted the buildings up, and we were very frightened.
Riuteithio wa Arutwo na mataro kagweto kubatarikana hari Arutwo ihinda-ini riri.
We require really to take them through a lot of counseling, and we are asking well wishers out there who can manage trauma, this kind of trauma caused by this kind of a thing, if they can manage to treat them, to counsel them.
Ngaragwiri ri kaunti-ini ino ikagweto gukorwo eheririe maundu hari Arutwo aya. Hadini ya Kameme TV ritwera kwa ni Bataru wa Mwangi.